こんにちは、愛です。Hello, my name is Ai. I'm a Japanese mom who lives in Southern California with my two girls and my partner. In this video, I'm gonna introduce Japanese home cooking. Keywords are easy, simple, yummy, and Japanese. Today, using this steamer. I bought this steamer about 20 years ago in Chinatown, Los Angeles, Chinatown. Using this steamer, I'm gonna show you how to prepare Nikuman. Nikuman, Niku is meat. Man, manju or manto, bun. So it's a Chinese steamed bun with a pork inside. So Nikuman is also called Chuka Man. Chuka, Chinese. Man, manju or manto, bun. So Chinese steamed bun. So you may say it's Chinese, but Japanese people arrange Chinese style to Japanese style. And if you go to convenience store during winter time in Japan, there's a steamer and they sell all kinds of steamed bun. Can be amman. Amman is anko inside, and kareman. Inside it's curry with meat. Or pizza man, pizza steamed bun. And なんだろう vegetarian 野菜まんじゅう野菜まん all kinds, but my favorite is Nikuman, the one with pork. Today I arranged to easy way so that you can prepare at home. So usually it tastes good if you put lots of stuff like bamboo shoot, takenoko, dried scallop. But today I only put something you can find at home and it still tastes good. So let's see how to prepare Nikuman at home. And if you are new to this channel, please don't forget to subscribe. And if you like the video, please share with your friend. This recipe is for 8 Nikuman. 8 buns. We need half pound of ground pork, quarter onion, peeled and diced, half bunch green onion, cut, chopped, 4 dry shirake mushroom and soak in hot water for 10 minutes for preparation. 1 tablespoon of sugar, 1 tablespoon of sake, 1 tablespoon of cornstarch, and 1 tablespoon of soy sauce, 2 tablespoons of oyster sauce, and some sesame oil. So this is the ingredient for filling. And for the bun, we need 2 1/3 cup of all-purpose flour, 1/3 cup of water, 1/3 cup of milk, and milk and water put together and microwave for 20 seconds and make it lukewarm. 1/4 cup of sugar, 1 teaspoon of dry yeast, teaspoon, 2 tablespoons of baking powder, 2 tablespoons of olive oil, or if you have lard is good too, and 1 teaspoon of salt, and parchment paper cut into 4 inch by 4 inch. And we need 8 pieces. In a big bowl, place flour, sugar, baking powder, dry yeast over sugar. Dry yeast and sugar are good friends. They put it together. And 1 teaspoon of salt and milk and water put it together and microwave for 20 seconds and it's lukewarm. And using your hand, mix until it gets all together. Put it together. First it gets really sticky, but after a while it gets like a ball. And then in the center, place 2 tablespoons of olive oil. Add olive oil and mix more. Mix very well until it's nice and smooth. Now it's nice and smooth and make a ball, and we're gonna cover with plastic wrap and rest for 30 minutes. 30 minutes rest. While we are waiting for the dough to rise, cut shirake, dry shirake soaked in hot water for 10 minutes and cut into dice. And heat the fry pan to medium heat. Add some sesame oil and add diced onion, diced dried shiitake mushroom, add green onion and saute until onion gets nice and soft. Add 1 tablespoon of sake, 1 tablespoon of soy sauce, 1 tablespoon of sugar and 2 tablespoons of oyster sauce and mix very well. Saute some more and turn off the heat and let it cool at room temperature. Then add vegetable mix and meat together and mix until meat gets sticky. And add cornstarch. 1 tablespoon of cornstarch and mix very well. And divide the filling into 8 portions and make 8 balls. After 30 minutes, dough is ready. First punch down, press down, and then knead a little bit, and then make a ball and shaping. Cut into 8 pieces. And using the rolling pin, roll out the dough into about 8-inch diameter round shape. And place the meatball in the middle and nicely and tightly wrap around. Make sure pinch tight. Wrap around tight so that it doesn't explode while you are steaming. Cover with towel and let it stand for another 15 minutes. After 15 minutes, it's time to steaming. We're gonna steam in high heat and place the bun on the steamer. And for steamer, the lid, please wrap with towel so that the water doesn't go into the bun. So cover with the towel and steam for about 15 minutes over high heat. And Nikuman pork bun is ready to serve. And I like soy sauce and karashi. Karashi is a Japanese mustard. So for Nikuman, karashi goes very well. And my Nikuman is ready to serve. My daughter's favorite. It looks so good and tastes so yummy. I love it.